I am Abdullah, the successor of Imam al-Mahdi.
This man is a fake, a charlatan, an absolute con artist, a liar, a joker. He is a nobody. Let me tell you who he was. Look at this clip.
Documentary tonight about the man and the Iranian Revolution. Abdullah Hashim and Joseph McGowan join us this morning to tell us why and how they got inside this so-called sex cult.
Yes, this man was trying to get into sex cults and make movies. And when he failed at that, he tried to start his own religion called Ahmadi in Islam. And when that failed, then he tried to claim that he's the Pope and the Mehdi. What does that even mean?
I am Abdullah, the successor of Imam al-Mahdi, the successor of Muhammad, the successor of Jesus Christ. I am the true and legitimate Pope.
How can you be the Mehdi, the head of Tawheed, and the Pope, who's the head of Shirk? You see, this is an absolute con artist. Muslims should ignore him. Don't click on his videos. Don't let his paid actors fool you. I'm going to prove to you in 30 seconds with 3 clear facts that this man is 100% not Mahdi. 1, the Prophet ﷺ in the authentic hadith said, Mahdi will have my name and his father's name will be my father's name. So the Mahdi, his name will be Muhammad ibn Abdullah. This man's name is not Muhammad and his father's name is not Abdullah. So 1, he's a liar. 2nd, the Prophet ﷺ said the Mahdi will not want that responsibility. He will not be going around telling that I am the Mahdi. Rather, he will run from the people. And the people will catch him between the Rukn and the Maqam, yani between the corner and Maqam Ibrahim. And they will force him to take the bay'ah. And the first time they recognize him to be the Mahdi, they give him bay'ah. This man is such a liar. He's going around conference halls, paying actors, making clips, saying I'm the Mahdi. So that is a second clear proof from authentic hadith. This man is not the Mahdi. 3rd, the Prophet ﷺ said, as soon as he gets the bay'ah, overnight, the first time he's recognized, overnight by the will of Allah, immediately he will have the khilafah and he will bring peace and justice to the earth. This man has not done any of that. He's a fake, he's a liar. Stay away from him, ignore him. Don't let these non-Muslims who are supporting him and promoting him cause confusion in the ummah.
Why? Why did you have a desire to do a documentary and how did you get inside this cult?
Well, Angela, I'm a weird guy myself and I'm interested in weird things. So